Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm using a teacher's account. I'm going to solve few nuggets here. So when you will find this interface, I'm using mobile phone. Can you see these three lines? These zigzag. Click on that, and now you will enter in my path. This is my path. This pencil sign shows that assignment tab. So first of all, you need to click here, and now diagnostic word classes. I'm going to solve this nugget. Let me click on it, and please pray for me because I'm not an English teacher. I have to solve this as a student. So let's try. Click on start. So let's see what I have here. Diagnostic word classes. This is the nugget name PSPG0.01. So my recommended path is this. Which word is in the following sentence is a noun? The old man smiled shyly. So which one is noun? Man. Let's say man. Okay. Now submit answer. Okay, which word in the following sentence is a proper noun? My favorite planet is Mars. Mars. Okay, fine. Fine. I'm doing that. Actually, which word is the following sentence is an adjective? The giant tree grew slowly. So let's say I'm saying giant. Giant. Giant is adjective here. Okay, which word in the following sentence is a verb? A fire is hot and bright. Fire. Verb shows action. Fire. Fire is a verb. Fire. Okay, let me write fire. Okay, are you free tomorrow? Acha, which word in the following sentence is an adverb? Are you free? Adverb. Free tomorrow. Free. Let's say free. Click on submit the answer. Okay, which word in the following sentence is a preposition? On Monday, I played basketball. Preposition. Okay, let's say on. Submit the answer. Okay. Which proper noun below best fits in the gaps in the sentences? Bill and Sandy are best friends and they they walk to school together. Proper noun. At least I got 1 point over here. Finally. Okay, now which conjunction fits best in the missing space in the sentences below? I drove to the shop dash then I went back home. I drove to the shops conjunction joining two sentences. Okay, and then I went back to home, and let's say the end. Okay, now next one is choose the consonant from the letters below. A, E, I, O, U. That's called vowel. A, E, I. This is consonant. F. Okay, now next one. Choose the sentence below where A, R, N has been used correctly. I went to a old shop. I went to a new shop. I went to an giant shop. I went to an new shop. I went to a new shop. Okay, now what is the word class of the underlined word? Usman slept peacefully in the sleeping bag after he built the tent. What is the word class of the underlined? पता नहीं क्या, no idea. Let's say no idea. Okay जी, let's move forward. Submit answer. No idea जी. Okay, thank you for completing the diagnostic test. We are using your answer to calculate your recommended learning path. Remember, our diagnostic assessment isn't a test, it's to help us know what you need to learn next. That's why we will never tell you which question you got right or wrong. It doesn't matter. Every answer you gave helps Century to understand your brain better so that we can help you progress more quickly. Okay, thank you. What's next? Now verb. Okay, ji. What is a verb? A verb is a doing, being or having words. Emma likes basketball. I have fluffy socks. He is old. Han felt sad, so he hugged his rabbit. Fine, click next. A verb tense can change based on when something happened. Every day, dance. Yesterday, danced. Okay, tomorrow, I will dance. Okay, tense can change based on when something happened. Okay, next. Okay, which word in the following sentence is a verb? Sarah walked over the hill. Walked shows action. Yes, submit the answer. Okay, ji. Next, excellent. Next question, please. Which word in the following sentence is a verb? Adam whispered to his friend. So, verb, whispered. Yes, ye showed action. It shows action. Ah ha ha, well done. Well done, Faisal. Okay, next. Which word in the following sentence is a verb? A man thought carefully. Thought. Okay, thought. Go for thought. Aha. I know that. I'm the best. Alhamdulillah. Okay, now. Which word in the following sentence is a verb? He had lots of presents. He had lots of presents. Okay, the verb. Had. Shows ownership. Excellent. Okay, now next one. Which word in the following sentence is a verb? A rain in fierce. Okay, fine. Rain is a ha miji wrong answer. Okay, this is a noun. A verb is doing, being or having word. Chahan was sad, so he hugged his cat. Correct answer. Okay, let's see. This one is correct answer. This one. Okay. Oh, let me check correct answer. Click on Q. Yes, is the rain is okay. Which word in the first sentence is a verb? Okay, next question, please. Which word in the following sentence is a verb? Derek bought a new bicycle. Bought. Bought. Correct. Excellent. Bought is action. Okay. Which word in the following sentence is a verb? The cheese melted perfectly on the pizza. Melted. 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 Yes. Next. Excellent. Now, next question, please. Which word in the following sentence is a verb? We have an enormous fire. So, enormous fire. Let's say verb, fire. Fire. Hey, a verb is doing, being. Okay. Correct answer, please. Have. We have. Okay. Sorry. We have. It's okay. It's my learning process is going on. That's how Century is now suggesting me these things. In which sentence is lock a verb? I remember to lock the door behind me. The lock on the car is broken. Do you have the right key for the lock? You forgot to change the lock. I remember to lock the door. Ha ha ha. Okay. The lock. Wrong answer. Well done. Okay, ji. What's the correct answer? I remember to lock the door behind me. Okay, fine. View the result. Okay, Ji, making great progress, great job. It looks like you understand this well. Completion 100%, score 67%, not bad. Correct answer 6 divide 6 by 6 matlab out of 9. I have answered 6 correct answers, and total time spent 4 minutes 36 second duration. I want to try again. Okay, now let's go for adverb. Thank you very much. That's how you can solve these nuggets like that. Thank you, Ji. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.